Today you will learn how to use the logic of bytes and investments in the market. Only the most useful information about the logic of bytes. How does the price encourage you to open a deal in the wrong direction? You will not find this on YouTube, so please share this video and like it. Subscribe to the channel and write a comment. I also recommend subscribing to the X-Trade channel. Here I publish a lot of useful information and deals that I work on every day on the market. Such deals are obtained by trading using our trading strategy. And if you want to learn about this trading strategy which I use on this market, go to the attached message and study the post about our mentorship. And write me a personal message to purchase it. Let's move on to the video. In the past videos I explained the logic of withdrawing AEDM. Let me explain again. That is, it always removes some incentive to move further along the trend. But not all people know about it. They think that the break of the first swing is a break in the structure. Not only in classic smart money but also in other types of analysis. Tech analysis, price action and so on. That is breaking the first swing and doing it very impulsively. In the future, when you come to retest, some zone of interest gives a reaction. But in the end, the struggle of buyers and sellers begins. And trading begins to form. This is an indicator that the market is unfolding. And in the end, the price goes on. That is down updating the data to a minimum. That is removing the incentive is the basis of my trading strategy. What are bytes? This is when the price encourages people to make impulsive movements. For example, the price removes the inducement, making a buy byte in this case, giving a new correction, goes into imbalance, and makes another impulsive movement giving a new buy byte. Then the price makes a trade and falls down. Of course, people will not be able to read the first byte here. After the break of this swing, therefore they would go to the correction. When this new movement begins, they open the position like this, putting the stop loss here, and take profit on some goal. But in the end they are cut off. But we must practice opening transactions in the most unobvious situations. That is when trading begins. This is an indicator that the price is unfolding. We must confirm the formation of a small imbalance. And already here, with a stop loss for this formation, very small, and take profit 1 to 5. You can work out the position in the right direction, having already understood all the manipulations. And opening a transaction, working out a clean movement. Do you understand? Therefore trading and subtracting X and plus bytes. This is the true market, which you can use in your trading in order to determine where the price will still go. This works not only with a downward trend, this works with an upward trend. This works in the side. Let's go to the real chart. Here is the real chart. Let's see how it works here. We see that the price moves up here and removes this inducement, making such a buy byte here. As we can see, the price begins to return to this zone in order for people to enter positions here. First, they saw these sweep here, which encouraged them to open transactions in the wrong direction. Then there is a retest, and the price goes higher. I will not say that these are bytes, because they are not too impulsive. This is more like a buy. But at the moment, if you were here, not in history, but in reality, then you would want to open a long position, because the price has grown here, and was at this peak. But in the end, what happens? It starts to correct, fall, and in the end it goes in the downward direction. Here is the lower point. Here is the upper one. That is, how do we confirm the points? Vibration with what logic? The price removes the induced, confirms the minimum, and the maximum is confirmed only after the price makes an update. That is the boss. Thus, structural points are confirmed. Let's look at another example. On the real graph. For example, here. We see that we are working on the trend. That is, it moves in a downward motion, removes the inducement here, making a buy byte. But here it will be better seen on a smaller time frame. Since this is the INOS M5, it removes the inducement and continues to move down. That is so impulsive. That is already in the right direction. Do you understand how it works? Subscribe to my channel. The link will be in the description and pinned comment. Good luck to everyone and bye.